viewers, all three of you. Again, we're having another episode of The Village Idiot and His Wife Attempt Home Repairs. This time, we're going to go for a door being repaired or replaced here. As you recall, we did repair a television in the past, and lo and behold, it worked. So, this time it's a door. This door is what they call a slab door. A slab door because it has no hinges yet, it has no doorknob hole. It is just a basic piece of wood with a little glass in it. We have to install hinges, door, cut holes in for knobs, and then we're going to move it over into that area where it's going to be mounted nicely in spite of our inept skills. I'm now standing in the bathroom, and as you can see, the old door that they had on before we were moving this house opened out this way. We're going to change it so that our door opens into this room that I'm standing in. Therefore, we have to install new strike plates, new hinges, and basically redo the whole project from scratch. A disclaimer here, if you are a carpenter or have any carpentry skills, you might want to turn off this video because we're going to frustrate you with the weird way we do things. Kirby's marking the locations for the new hinges to be installed directly across from where the old hinges were located. We're using that as a guideline. Quality carpenters use routers. Me, I got a chisel and a hammer and whack on the thing. We intentionally purchased square-cornered hinges because we knew we were using a chisel and there's no way we could put in a curve. Kirby's in the process of chiseling out the recesses for the hinges so that when she's done, it looks like that. Nice.
Do you have to make me do everything?
It's not me, it's the supervisor that's telling you what to do.
Cody, I need some time off.
Okay, the hinges are installed onto the door frame, and now I think we're going to see Kirby starting to install the hinges on the door itself. Because the door is glass, we're not going to be whacking it with the chisel. We're going to be doing it very carefully, and therefore she's scribing the lines for where we're going to trim out with a sharp box cutter, not a chisel. And we're listening to a little Mercy Me, our favorite band. Okay, we've accomplished the chiseling out of the area for the hinges on the door itself. We went very carefully so not to break the glass, and it seems to work. I don't see any cracks. And the hinges are now in. Just finish up the last screws here, and hey, it seems to work. So we do have the hinges on, the door is on, and this is what it looks like from inside the bathroom/laundry. And I think that the hinges are going to work just fine. The door closes and opens both. Wow! Okay, for your astute viewers paying attention, you'll notice that we've changed clothes and I've even shaved. So I guess you know that this is day 2. We're not rushing this project whatsoever. But to help us along, we have the DeWalt Door Lock Installation Kit. Yes, this device is for installing the doorknob and the bolt, the throws, and we'll see how that works because I'm certainly not a carpenter. I'm not going to do it by hand. Okay, we have put on the door installation kit device and we've set it for our particular door. Okay, our particular device is set for a 2 3/8 inch recess back to the doorknob hole center. The other measurement on this device is the 1 3/8 that we have it set to because that's how wide our door is right now. And when we come down and center into this hole here, we want to be right centered right up on that amount of lines we have there. I think everything's ready to go. This doorknob installation kit comes with a special drill bit that screws back into this, which is the hole cutter. This first cut we're going to make is for the doorknob hole itself. That's good enough. Well, here we go. I guess this is it because there's no turning back once we do this. We measured the hole about 36 inches off the floor. We read about that and heard that was a normal height. And we set it up and we're going to try and see if we can't get this hole drilled. Now as I do this, Kirby's going to go on the other side of the door and she's going to tell me when the bit, that small little bit piece, comes through because we have to drill it from the other side at that point, not to split the wood. Whoa, buckaroo! Okay, we got through the first side, so the drill bit just started coming through, and in order not to have this side split, we're going to now drill in the rest of the hole from this side. Now that we finished that side, we're going to do the same thing with this smaller hole that we're going to drill in for our throw, I guess you call it, from the knob. And we don't need to show you this because it's the same thing drilling, but we're going to drill in the same fashion. We'll get back to you. And with the help of our tool, I think we have placed for doorknob extension. Well, apparently our inspector there says that the job was well done, so we're going to go with that. We're signing off. In the meantime, what we did was we installed the doorknob. Everybody's done doorknob before, so we weren't going to show you that part. We also put on the plate, face plate here on the door frame, and we had to drill a little hole for that, but everybody's done those types of things before. So anyhow, what I really recommend is, I really enjoy working with Kirby. I would recommend for all you guys out there, have your wives involved in this, because in my case, anything that goes right on the job, I claim credit for. Anything that goes wrong, of course, it's Kirby's fault. So anyhow, see you next time.